Those guys are clearing snow from the roof of the Kremlin. All alone here. I have never experienced this much snow. You could simply bury yourself in this snow and never be found. It's plenty. I have seen people digging their cars out of this snow. Let's have a look. Even walking in this snow is hard. And this snow is not slowing down at all. Cars are buried in this snow. Some of the cars you can only see the mirrors. This snow is deep. Look at that car there. It's really buried. You can barely see it. You can see the brake lights at the back. Look, there's a car here. There's a car here. Somewhere here there's a car. Because I can see the aerial of the car there. That means I must have left it here for a day or two. What's this? Is this a car? Look at that car buried over there. See, just snow everywhere. I see some people digging the car out with spades. They use shovels and spades to dig the car out of this snow because it's so much. And Russian people just get on, they just keep walking. A car buried there. Look at all these cars buried in the snow. Can't go through there. This is a lot of snow. You see this car buried in there. Look at this. It's up. Oh, go on, mommy. See? There's a red car here. You see the car mirror? That's a car. There's a car right there because you can see a red mirror. Oh, that's a lot. Look at the cars. All buried right over there. There's a car there, still a black mirror. That's a car right there. That's a shopping mall. It's a shopping mall. At least here they clear the snow a little bit, so the cars are a little bit out. But over here, you see cars are parked. They're all under heavy snow. All covered in snow here. Look at all this snow. There's a car under there. Look at that. There's a car. I can see a number plate. And people have made a makeshift snow garage to park their cars. See, that's a makeshift garage right there. Look. People with four-wheel drives, they think that they can drive out, but it's tricky as hell. Oof, he's trying to go in there. Wow. All these cars are buried in snow. Can't go anywhere. These are not easy conditions to live in. This is tough. Look how heavy the snow is falling today. It's really heavy. What is snow? Snow is frozen rain, basically. It's difficult to walk here. They need to clear this.
Если Лиле позвонила,
Okay. She's digging a garage there. Wow, it's snowing heavily. At all the snow. Yeah, the lady back there was digging for a parking space for her car. Wow, snow is frozen rain, basically. A lot of it, falling heavily. I'm all padded up. I'm not taking this lightly. This is serious stuff. If you're not careful, you could lose your nose. Wow! Oh, look at this snow. It's really. Yeah, he's digging over there. You walk better in those parts than here. The thing is, they keep digging up the snow, but it's snowing heavily, so it's like you are working backwards. You see here, they try to clear the snow. You see here, they try to clear the snow, but it's going to be back very quickly. You see there, he's dug that place nicely so that he can park his car. See so many people digging their cars out. See? Not easy at all here. That's heavy snow, man. All under there is just cars parked under this snow. Nice. Look at this guy. Sometimes people just give up on their cars because it's buried under the snow and takes so much energy to get it out. Sometimes better just to leave it alone. At least it's not too cold. It could be extremely freezing, but this is okay. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Traffic in heavy snow. Oh, it's cold. You can see me all padded up. Never experienced this coldness. No, I did when I visited. This is nice. When I visited Oymekon, it was cold. It's freezing cold. Thank you. That's it. Let's have a look at. That's a nice building. I feel my forehead exploding with cold because it's really, really cold here. But the kids are playing. The kids are playing on the snow. That is the McDonald's in Russia now. Kushnitoska, those signs over there. The thing is, my forehead is frozen. Forehead. I can just about see my eyes. Oh my God. This country is really, really cold. I mean, I love the cold, but not to this extent. This is just way too much. This explains why these people here are really, really pale. They're all frozen lips, frozen cheeks, frozen faces. Jesus. It hits you here, the forehead, the nose. Oh, bloody hell. Oh my God. Ah, that's good. And they're still handing out leaflets. When it's snowing heavily and the whole place, the whole area is covered in heavy, thick snow, it's not cold, it's not too cold, but when it's not snowing, it's freezing, really, really cold. One thing I've noticed here in Russia is that no matter how heavy the snow is, they do not bother taking the chains out and wrapping the chains on the wheels of their cars. No, they're just driving the cars as they are. If your car is rear wheel drive, then you have a much bigger problem. Front wheel drive, it's much better in the snow. I had to wait outside there. People are going in droops and drops. The snow plows there. Look how much snow at this place. The bird plane, I think that one is a private jet.